In my videos, monetization sign is coming green, but in this video the yellow sign is coming. What does it mean by this? It means this video is running limited or no ads due to content identifier or as a not suitable for the most advertisement. So it's telling that it's a limitation, means on this video here is a limitation. Advertisement will not be too much and can be ad suitable. So when I click here, so I have sent the request. You can see here this video is being reviewed to determine whether it is suitable for the most advertisement. So I have sent the request on the YouTube from the ad suitability. So in the morning I having this also red key, but when I send the request from here, so it also become like this. Before it was the yellow sign of dollar. And you can check here the date is 28 December 2019, and I will show you this video name. This video is Boom Music Player 3D 2020. So you can check here. This video is limited, means all advertisement cannot be played on this. Let me go from here. You can check here. Here is no advertisement playing. Limitation of advertisement will be here. Boom Music Player, which I have already told you. So we will discuss the further. Hello friends, we are going to discuss about the Boom Music Player. Here was the limitation on the monetization. Now the limitation has been finished. This video is being monetized, and here was a suitability advertisement also has been completed. So when you will get the yellow dollar of the dollar sign, so it means you are in limitation of advertisement. When you will get green, it means here is no limitation of advertisement, and when you will get, it means your video is copyright. Okay, and you can check the date. It has been limitation has been complete finished after few hours. So here is a proof, and one more proof is this Music Player 3D in 2020 I have discussed. So, and constructivations, there is nothing. So when it can take limitation can take the time for changing from the limitation to monetization green icon. Okay, still you do not have to subscribe, so kindly press it like subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos. Thank you for watching.